Alright, here's my basement stairway, and the vinyl was a glued on vinyl, very old, and you see it's coming up. So what I'm doing is I'm ripping off that old vinyl and putting on it's a vinyl planking system that I'm going to be using for the stairways, because this is just, it looks really bad. Alright, so first step is I'm going to cut some to fit in here. I'm probably going to need two because it's a little bit thinner. Okay, here's the vinyl plank that I'm using. It has underalignment on the bottom with some padding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off this little lip here because it has a little lip that I don't need. Cut that off, and then I'm going to use this. This is already the length of each step, so I'm just going to measure from there to here, and that'll give me my cut. Alright, so I got my piece fitted in here. It fits perfect. I'm going to have to cut another little strip here because it's not quite wide enough. Alright, I got my two pieces on here now. And I'll just take a pencil and scribe right up under here on this edge, so I know where to cut it. Alright, just went and cut it, and I cut it with a razor knife, just a regular blade and a drywall square. Yeah, I scored a few times, breaks pretty easy. Put it over against an edge, 2x4, and it'll snap right off. And put this in there, and there you go, there's the finished step. You can see the ugly one before. Alright, so just throw some screws in there, which I don't have any, and Home Depot's closed. Tomorrow I'll go get and grab some screws, but pretty much pre-drill the holes because it's plastic. I mean, you can probably screw through it, but I'm just going to pre-drill it. And then, yeah, screw that in, you're done. Put another piece here, put a couple nails in them. And yeah, just repeat the process. The hardest part of this is just taking this crap off. It's stuck on with glue adhesive. Other than that, it's a pretty simple job. I'll take a video of it when I'm done, show you guys how it looks. You can see how it looks now. It's pretty crappy. Alright, so I'm finishing up. I finished the whole box. The whole box did about 8 steps. I got one step left undone. And that's how it looks. It's a grayish color. What I did was I took a little bit of leftover strips that I had, and I put a little piece here with a brad nail, 1-inch brad nail. And when I put my cover on, it'll cover that crack right there. This is just a stair transition piece. Probably need to get some new ones. These ones are kind of in rough shape. But anyways, I don't even have screws for these or nails. You do want to pre-drill these because this stuff can chip. I chipped a little piece right here just with the brad nail. I had the pressure on too high. I had to turn down the pressure on the air compressor. Yeah, so I did 3 of them, the little trim piece at the edge. And you can see the ones without the trim, it looks really not so good. Now, I should have painted these first, but instead of paint, I decided just to put a strip of this right there. It'll look more clean, but again, I ran out of boxes, so tomorrow I'll go and pick up another box. I think it's $38 or $48 a box. Can't remember what I paid from the Home Depot. $1.59 a square foot. I got all the little end caps on all the way up, and believe me, it does make a difference just doing little pieces like that. And you can see in the video, you can see how ugly this looks. It's bare wood compared to this, so it's worth spending getting another box, another $40 worth of material, and putting the back piece on here, because to me, unless you paint it, but it's a basement, paint can chip and stuff because of the humidity. I prefer just to put another vinyl plank. And I'll do that probably in a day or two. I gotta go to the store and get some more stuff, and I'll make another video and I'll show you guys the end result. still got that bottom step to do as well.